The new Tornador Steam Cleaner. The Tornador Steam is a powerful mobile 230-volt steam cleaner that works without synthetic cleaners, just with normal tap water. This makes the Tornador Steam very allergy and eco-friendly. The excellent cleaning results are achieved solely by the steam pressure, the working temperature and, if necessary, a brush attachment with a microfiber towel. The boiler heats the water up to a maximum of 170 degrees Celsius and opens a valve at a steam pressure of 7 bar. The overheated steam hits the working surface at more than 140 degrees and dissolves pollution easily and quickly. The dirt loosened can be wiped up with a microfiber cloth or vacuumed. Germs and bacteria are permanently eliminated by the hot steam, along with unpleasant odors. Additional advantages: the hot steam evaporates very quickly and only minimal amounts of moisture get into the fabric. This minimizes the drying necessary and the vehicle can soon be returned to the customer. Furthermore, the Tornador Steam is equipped with a hot water function. By simply pressing the hot water button, the steam cleaner turns into a hot water pressure washer. The pressure for both the steam and the hot water function can be infinitely adjusted and thus optimally adapted to the surface to be cleaned. The double tank refilling system allows the Tornador Steam to be refilled without any breaks. The boiler automatically takes water from the cold water tank and the cold water can be refilled at any time, whether the machine is working or not. The Tornador Steam is the ideal solution for thorough, pour-deep cleaning of passenger and engine compartments, very dirty rims, car bodies and also car paints. Weighing only 11 kilos, the Tornador Steam is the ideal steam cleaner for all professional car detailers, but also for all hygienic purposes in industries and crafts. Tornador. No compromises.